Hello guys, and welcome to Yes You Can channel. So you're watching this video because your iPhone is charging very slowly. The reason why it's charging very slowly is because of this. You are using an out of date adapter. This is only 10 watts, ladies and gentlemen. The reason why your iPhone is charging very slowly because it's time to ditch this. It's time to ditch this one too. Lightning port and USB. This is what you need to replace it with. A 20 watt adapter. Yes, so as you can see, it's USB-C. I got this one because I use USB-L. So I use both of them. But what you need, ladies and gentlemen, is USB-C, which is 20 watts. Yes, you can get the 30 watt version, but that only works on iPhone 15 and 16. But any model below iPhone 15, you will need a 20 watt adapter. Ideal to get a genuine Apple one with this. So I'm going to show you this tip. It's a lightning tip with USB-C. So any USB-C cable, USB-C to lightning port cable is 20 watts minimum. So this is what you need, yeah? A 20 watt adapter, ideal Apple one, and USB-C, so lightning to USB-C. I hope this video has helped you. Please leave a comment below and tell me how you get on, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.